All right, so good day to everybody. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back. And I don't know already, the support is very much appreciated. Thanks for being here. You guys also know the YouTube stuff. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share because these are free and easy ways to support the channel. In this video, we're quickly touching on the topic of Wes Harding and his return to the national team after a very long hiatus, right? I remember even referring to Wes Harding one time as exiled reggae boy. Wes Harding. See, in my review of the Copa America squad yesterday, me no know how me forget this. I totally forgot to make special mention of Wes Harding and his return because everybody knows I've been a campaign for the baller, right? It's been a while since I've been campaigning for Hyman Grimson to give this boy a shot. And I don't know how I forget to include it in my Copa America squad review. Like I watch it over again after I release it again, and I say, yo, how I forget to talk about Wes Harding. So Wes Harding gets a quick video, specifically talking about Wes Harding and his inclusion and his return to the national setup, right? You see the title, Big Up Wes Harding. Good to see him get another shot. It's really good to see Wes Harding get another shot. As I said, this is a baller I've been a campaign for. And to be honest with you, I don't know how him never, I don't know how, I don't know. Right? I've been a campaign. I've been a scratch my head. See? So we have to big up Imal Grimson for giving Wes Harding another shot. By the way, Gaffer, up next, Corey Adai. Up next, Corey Adai, my boss. You need to jump on that, my boss. Up next, Corey Adai. Because that is another player that supposed to make it for merit and now get a shot. I go start campaigning harder for Corey Adai. Because it look like the campaigning are working. It look like the campaigning work for Wes Harding. So we're going to start a really campaign. Although we've been a campaign for Corey Adai still. But Jaja say I know, to be honest with you, I don't know what take Grimace so long to recall this player. Honestly, I don't know what Grimace been a wait pan, why this baller has not gotten his shot. Players playing at a way lower level, way inferior player, took players to Wes Harding, has been getting call-ups under Ima Algrimson, even in competitive fixtures, in tournaments, and Corey Adai was just being left in the wilderness. A long time, Wes Harding has just been left in the wilderness. People, a long time Wes Harding supposed to make the team for merit, Long time Wes Harding supposed to make the team for merit. The last time Wes Harding played for Jamaica, it was in the Panama game. You remember that Panama game at the National Stadium, the game that I referred to as the debacle? People, the last time Wes Harding played was in the debacle. See, anytime you hear me talk about the debacle, I'm referring to the Panama game at the National Stadium. See, real Reggae Boyz fans will never forget that game, right? That is the game that we realized that we were not going to the 2022 Qatar World Cup. See? But that was the last time Wes Harding played for the national team. I kid you not. That's years ago now. Years ago, over 2 years ago. Probably even 3. That's so long. Probably going 3 years now. That was a long time ago. And to be fair to Wes Harding, to be fair to the situation, Wes Harding never played well. But to be fair to Wes Harding, it wasn't his fault. Structural flaws in that game caused him to be constantly being doubled up on. If you remember that game there specifically, throughout the entirety of the game, he constantly had 2 players coming at him. And Theodore Tapper Whitmore did nothing about it. So, some of the goals were scored, and a lot of the threatening plays were coming down that side. And, Wes Harding had a terrible time of it. Terrible time out in that Panama game. But honestly, man, that was not his fault. And the fact of the matter is, Wes Harding at his best is, even though in recent times he has found the going a bit tough at Millwall, but generally speaking, this is a championship player. Not a championship player. Obviously, he's a championship player, but generally speaking, he's a championship starting quality player. To be more specific, so how a player like that and a player of his skill sets, has not been getting call-ups to the national team is honestly beyond me, man. It took Grimmy long enough, but it's good to see Wes Harding back in the squad, and in the Copa America squad. He definitely adds a lot of value to the squad, a lot of depth, and especially given the fact that he can play in multiple positions. We have seen him make appearances in the championship in midfield, start games in midfield, and do reasonably well. Start games as a centre back. He was traditionally a right back for a long time as well. So yeah, man, and those type of players are obviously very much needed in a tournament setting. Those type of players really add even more value in the context of a tournament, and obviously we're going into the Copa America. So it's good to have those type of players that can do a job and do a good job at a reasonably high level, and be called upon in a tournament to do so. Good to see Wes Harding back. Good to see Wes Harding get another shot. Big up Wes Harding. Hopefully he makes the most of it, grabs the opportunity with both hands, and cements his spot in the national team, which I do believe he has the ability to do so. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.